Hi, I'm Jim Lee with Exit Strategies Realty, here to give you the detail on the upscale. Today, my special guest is Lisa English with Colonial National Mortgage. Hey Lisa, how you doing?
Doing great, Jim. How are you?
Doing great. Listen, Lisa is our go-to person for loans in the luxury category. Janet and I deal a lot in homes between that, jumbo loans come in what, 417 to
$2.5 million.
So from about 417,000 up to $2.5 million. You guys do those type of jumbo loans, correct?
That is correct.
Well, let me ask you. Most lenders require about 30% down. Is that the same with you?
No, we only require 20%.
20%? Well, I bet you I have to have an 800 credit score to get that, don't I?
No, Jim, just a 700.
Wow, that's just above FHA. Now we're cooking with gas. Listen, let me ask you this. What are the terms on that?
15 or 30.
15 or 30, 700 credit score, and it's an 80% loan to value. Now, I'm sure that's just on my primary res, right?
No, secondary also.
Man, you can do a vacation home as well as your primary res?
You can.
I told you Lisa was the go-to girl for this job. Listen, if you're looking for a loan in the luxury category, check out our website, jimandjanet.com. Go to our pro team and go down and click on Lisa. You can fill out an application online or you can dial her direct from there. Do you Skype?
Not yet.
No, she's not Skyping yet, but you can give her a call. Listen, I just want to say thank you for taking time to look at us. And I'm Jim Lee with Exit Strategies Realty, here giving you the details on the upscale.